When you're in a quick fix in need of a lay-down ground cover solution under less than ideal circumstances, this is a perfect, robust product. You can lay it in 15 minutes. We've covered 300 square feet and we've got pallets coming in, and it is a very adequate storage area. Perfect for this application. Oh, did I step on top of you there? Uh-oh, I got in your way. Go ahead. I think you've got one that's right. You've got a right one. You know better. You know better. Okay, hey, Alfred, lock it in down here first.